Hello guys, review smartphone Realme 9i. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory in the black color. Okay, in completation we have protected back cover and documentary. On this we have adapter for charging with quick charge and Type-C cable. Okay, now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side, triple camera LED. On the front side, 6.6-inch display. On this side, power key. On this side, home keys and slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card. Downside, Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay, display we have Full HD Plus, IPS. Look settings. About phone, Android 11, version Realme 2.0. Okay. Geekbench open. Qualcomm Snapdragon 680, this CPU. GPU Adreno 610. Resolution display PPA. Okay. Result single core score and multi-core score and GPU test results. Look onto the benchmark. Undo the benchmark results. Okay, close this and run Guitar Sunrise demanding game. Okay, game looks very good, without lags and glitches. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.